It's almost two measures. When you look at our city demographics and our population, that's one number, but we have a lot of homes out in the community
Sure.
that add thousands of people to
Absolutely.
what feeds the school system and our retail and so forth.
Sure.
So it's a hard number to get its arms around.
It really is.
But because of that 10-year planning and 15-year planning and 20-year planning that the city has done, it's brought us up to this point.
And I think that's a key point, because I'm having the opportunity now to work with several cities, and if a city is not being proactive in their planning, and I'm really getting out, not just next year or next budget, not just 5 years, but really 10, 20 years out, and really planning for growth, that city becomes reactive instead of proactive. And what happens is they're always trying to catch up. You know, growth literally passes them by. And that was one of the key elements in Owasso, that because of the vision of the city manager and the city council, they really planned for the dynamic growth that happened. I mean, it wasn't, if you want to grow plants, you know, you can plant them just in nature and they got a 50-50 shot of making it. If you really want to grow them, you build an environment like a greenhouse that's conducive to that growth. That's what happened in Owasso. It was a kind of a greenhouse effect for that growth, not only in the residential and the population growth, but also in that retail growth.